What's up, guys? This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade. He's Wyatt. And
Hi.
this is... Can we do a house tour of your house?
Hmm?
Can we do a house tour of your house?
I haven't seen my room that you made.
Okay, first of all, Hold on. Can I show them what I did? Okay, so first of all, I'm trying to figure out fences that people can't jump over. So,
He's trying to guard his house.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is a office building, so, little parking lot right there, chicken area,
Chicken area?
check-in area,
Okay, that makes a lot more sense.
conference table,
Why can't I come in?
landings. Is the building? It's not loaded. The frame's not
That is
loaded.
so annoying.
I know.
My tablet does that. This isn't the first time it's done that, is it?
Nope.
It's done this once or twice before.
Landon's office and
I don't get
no one's office.
I don't get an office.
My desk area, no one's office.
That's so sad.
You can take this.
I don't get. Oh, I get the nobody's office. Who is it?
Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm back.
You're gonna
Person
have to cut that out of the video. That's what you gotta do.
can't afford to do that.
Oh,
This
okay.
is no one's office, so the person who was here got fired. So you
I
can
love your swimming pool.
You're in the back there.
I don't know how I got back there.
Oh, don't.
I didn't even have to climb over anything.
You didn't?
I just walked.
Well, the tree probably didn't load in.
Yeah. I'm a ghost.
You probably went through there, didn't you?
Yep. But I didn't climb over the tree. There's nothing there.
So I added this right here,
You're
and
standing at nothing. There's nothing
I
there.
put the speaker backwards.
There's nothing there.
You're really laggy.
I'm not laggy. My computer's laggy.
I mean, yeah,
Right now, I'm just walking around.
And so
I'm
I
not
put
walking around
lights around the trees.
anything. Again, you're just standing on grass. What trees
Man.
are you talking about?
You're really, really laggy.
Like,
I
seriously.
feel like I put a little fence around.
Look back at me. Am I walking through a tree right now?
Yes.
I am walking through trees.
Walk through this
I am
tree.
a ghost.
No clip. I
This
feel
is
like
freaky.
the ball kept coming outside, so I put
That I see. That I can see.
like
I
a
can
little
see
guardrail.
I can see this fence. And why can't the ball move? That's annoying.
Because you gotta kick it.
How'd you do that? How'd you do that?
Press E.
I'm on a tablet. Meanie.
So, I'm gonna show Wyatt's his room. So,
Okay,
yeah.
You show me on your laptop and I'll just watch yours.
Okay.
Because I'm tired of running around and not going through doorways and stuff.
So, here's a little bit of the tour.
I'm still standing on the soccer ball. You have an elevator?
You're on the 4th floor.
You have an elevator?
Yeah.
How much did that cost?
45,000. I got rid of all my other houses to build it.
How many houses did you have?
4 other houses? Let's go for.
Dude, what?
I added this park right here.
How much did that cost?
I put a little kitchen in my closet.
Do I sound like a little annoying wife or something? How much did that cost, honey?
Put auto sensors on the shower.
What? Dude! Seriously, how much did this stuff cost?
Your room!
Oh, nice.
Your desk area.
I'm not even gonna ask how much. I get a flat screen.
You get a guitar.
Oh, yeah.
I have my face cam on.
No, no,
Bathroom.
no, I wish you didn't.
And that's it.
That's it?
For your room.
You get this huge mansion and I get this tiny room on the
Um,
3rd floor. It's climb up the
what
stairs.
else?
I have to climb up the steps to go to my room.
You can go in my private elevator that no one else can use.
It's a private elevator?
Yes.
It's not even just an elevator, it's a private elevator? Hey,
No one else uses it besides me. You can use it though.
well then how does that mean I'm a nobody? You said nobody uses it besides me. Does that mean I'm a nobody?
You're a private.
Thanks, Slade. That's real nice.
You're a private investigator, so yeah, you can use
Private
it.
investigator? What do you mean a private investigator? You were really confusing sometimes. Can you open these doors? Apparently I can't walk through them.
Now load it in.
Are they already open? Thank you.
Those auto sensors on them. It's not loaded in for you. You need a good mic tablet.
You're gonna have to leave the game.
Still, it's a lot less laggy.
Bye
Bye, Powell.
Hello!
I just turned all the power off in my house
I'm
on
fine.
one switch. How many players you can hear it?
Do you know if we play different games? Like, I don't mind this game, it's just, I don't know.
I don't really care if people see me now. So, I'm just gonna...
Hey, block me out!
Sorry.
Cookie, your house is being robbed. How could you not know?
Sorry,
if,
Cookie.
How could you not know if your house is getting robbed?
My pool actually cost $110,000.
Dude, how did you earn this much money? Did you
bought...
play non-stop for like 2 days?
Yes.
That was before. Like, so... Wait, is it? No, that was just called... I want to play it, isn't it?
Oh, fuck yeah. Please.
Once you get done showing off your entire mansion.
I've always shown it off, by the way.
Huh?
I've always shown it off, by the way.
Okay,
We're also going to do a tour of your house.
no, we aren't.
Yeah, we are.
There's nothing to tour. Here's the living room. Here's the bedroom. Here's the bathroom. Done! Oh, wait, no, let's go to the kitchen. Oh, wait, no, that's just the other side of the dinner room.
Okay, let's grab a car and then let's go to...
How can you grab a car? Like, you can drive a car. But how can you drive a car?
Are you my roommate?
I'm falling eternally! Really? Yeah, how do I get in?
Tap the seat.
Let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go to our Wyatt's house.
No, let's not go to my house. I don't want to show off my...
So, make me roommate.
Why?
Cause.
No.
Cause.
I don't want you to show off my house.
Then
Why can't I get up?
Jump!
What do you think I'm trying to do? Watch, it'll finally load and I'm jumping constantly for the next 5 minutes. I'm not going to make you my roommate.
Then open all the doors.
No.
Open all the doors now!
It hasn't even loaded that there is a door. This is so annoying! It's my house!
Can you make me a roommate then?
No.
Why?
Oh, finally it opened. Okay. No!
Yay!
Close. Oh.
Kitchen. You got rid of the pizza box? Okay.
I didn't.
I don't.
Maybe I did.
Kitchen.
I didn't pay my bills. Is that me?
Yes, you're stinky.
Oh, nice. Man, this game is so much like real life.
Eating area.
You're like, bro, that's not something you should be bragging about. At all.
What else? Like living room area, bathroom. I got him a new shower.
When did you get me a new shower?
I went on your account.
I had a shower.
Well, the shower's better.
No, it isn't.
Closet,
It's just
bedroom.
a different color. How much did this cost?
Let me out of your house. I got a knock. I got a knock to get out.
You're gonna have to help me get out of the shower.
Oh my.
Because I'm stuck.
Oh wow, I can't do this.
Oh, this is pitiful.
You changed to a different iPad.
I made your roommate though.
No, you didn't.
I could have swore I did.
I'm hungry. Like
People on YouTube are like, what are they laughing about? Interact. Did I just click donate money? I don't need to donate money.
Oh, we got like 50,000.
Okay, you don't need to brag. Roommate!
Waiting.
I definitely clicked it. Buy and paint using my money. Are you serious?
I won't do it though.
No, I didn't know that you could do that. Would you please stop? Okay, I'm gonna have to give you $1 just so that it'll quit asking for me to donate money.
Oh, that's my home. You'll still keep it. It's just my budget on your house is $1.
Oh, okay. Well, I made it $2 by accident.
So, I added these torches. You don't need to pay your bills for torches. So.
Why don't you have that all the way through the house?
I don't know.
Because that would be awesome looking.
I do. Some places.
Okay. Now can we play a different game?
Hold on. Why don't you like this game? Get in.
It's not that I don't like this game, it's just...
Get in!
I like other games more. How about that?
Is it because it's laggy? We're waiting.
Seriously? You must unlock the unlocked stereo game pass to do that?
Hold on. Use radio. Hold on. This is gonna be funny.
And I can't get up.
Are you serious? Oh yeah, let's keep that one.
Okay. Hopefully this isn't copyright.
I'm gonna turn it all the way up.
I'm gonna be screwed. I'm screwed if this is copyright.
It kicked me out of the game.
Seriously?
The entire game. Look. Okay, I'm just gonna watch you play until we join a different game. Once you join a different game,
It's over, you mean? How about
No,
showing on that?
game. I want a different game. I'm gonna wait till you get on.
Please.
I'm gonna wait till you get a different game. I'll watch, and I'll listen, and I'll talk. Are you gonna dance? This is so embarrassing.
I can do it right here too.
The entire. Oh, you should have a party. Oh, that would be fun.
Okay.
You have this amazing mansion.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. The next video is probably gonna be us throwing a party. I hope you like it. Subscribe if you liked the video. Like it. If you didn't like the video, just don't do anything, please.
If you don't like it, just don't do a thing. Please. That'd be very, very bad.
Bye.